The ocean is the ultimate frontier, a harsh environment, endless opportunities. At Marine Drone Tech, we thrive in the extreme, turning the impossible into reality. With over 9,000 flight hours at sea and 12,000 successful missions under our belt, our technology is truly battle-tested. We provide the most reliable maritime solutions in even the most extreme conditions. AI-powered fish detection, maximum efficiency, lower costs, new pathways in drone delivery, professional training, expanding the drone ecosystem. From real-time monitoring to AI analysis, our data-driven solutions boost fishing efficiency, shorten time at sea, and cut operational costs. Bridging the gap across the vast ocean. From emergency logistics to component delivery, we provide the fastest, most efficient transport solutions. We design, build, and maintain our own fleet, powered by our integrated AI operating system. Unwavering precision in the roughest seas. That is the Marine Drone Tech difference. Unrivaled innovation you can trust. We set the global standard for maritime drones through expert pilot training. Our graduates are active worldwide, proving that our impact goes beyond technology. At the heart of this innovation is our proprietary technology. Delivering both performance and reliability, our drones are operating across oceans around the world right now. Technology for people, innovation for the ocean. Marine Drone Tech. Our flight, your future.